Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Zulily envelope to open and a little box from Amazon, which I have opened already because there was a couple presents in there for my fiance. There is one thing that's there for our dog, which I can show you on camera because he wouldn't know. So I just decided to mix this video up a little bit so that it's not just Zulily stuff I'm showing you. I do have a lot of Zulily boxes, but I know for sure that in this envelope there's clothing, so I wanted to see what they look like because I'd like to wear one of them for Christmas Day or Christmas Eve, whichever. So but I'm gonna start with the Amazon box first. So I've just got 3 items in here, and they don't usually give you a packing slip. Before they used to, but I think they have stopped doing that now. So the first thing I'm showing you is this Eucerin body lotion. And when I first came to Canada, I used to have really bad, dry, itchy skin in the winter, and I started using Eucerin, and I really liked the way it worked for me. And I don't usually have that problem as bad as before. Maybe I'm getting used to the weather, but I saw this one and I decided that I was gonna pick one up just in case it does happen. At least I have the right stuff to use, because right now I'm using the Neutrogena water-based lotions, and I'm not sure if they're gonna be good when it gets to like -30 or so. So when I saw this one, it was on sale and I decided to get it. And they also make face creams as well, but I think you can still put this on your face along with your other skin care, of course, because I don't think it covers, like, you know, wrinkles or age spots or anything like that. It's just to keep your skin hydrated as such, you know what I mean? So I like how it's in this plastic, so that if it does leak, it's leaking in the plastic, not all over everything else that you've got in there. So this says complete repair and 48-hour moisturizing. So moisturizes to repair very dry skin, and it's 500 ml. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if some of you have heard of this brand before, but I really do like this one. It works really good. The first time I tried, my fiance bought me some and I just really liked it. So this will be my backup when the Neutrogena stuff isn't working anymore. I know some people use the Aveeno as well, and I can't really swear by the Aveeno because, you know, I haven't really used it that much, but I really like this one. And it's got good reviews, and they make different types for different skin issues or whatever. So you can look for those ones as well. And then the next thing I got was for my dog, and it's a Clinical Care foaming mouthwash. So it's by Arm & Hammer brand, and this is what it looks like. It's got a pump, and I think it's just for the teeth to take off the plaque or whatever. And it says it soothes irritated and inflamed gums, and it's supposed to help freshen the breath as well. As dogs get older, they tend to get like a smell, and although we do brush his teeth, you know, sometimes there is a smell. Just like human beings, we can't always have fresh breath all the time. So but we use stuff for it, so he can't just go out and buy his own stuff. So I decided to give that one a try. We have tried dental sprays before, and this is actually a different one. So I've never tried this particular one, but we'll see. It's actually bigger than the one we had before. It's got baking soda inside, so we'll see how that works. And it's sealed. I'm just gonna put this in his sock. And then the last thing in that box was this Carmex Classic Lip Balm, and there's 3 in there, soothing moisturization. I've heard good things about this. I've never tried this brand before. I was Googling skincare, what I can use for the winter months, because I know I always tend to get really dry skin. And then I also look for the lips, because I know my lips get really bad in the winter. And then this came up as a suggestion by Google, so I went and I looked for it on Amazon, and it had a lot of good reviews. So I think they make flavored ones as well, but I just wanted to try the plain one. And I love that there's 3 in there. You can even gift them out to different people. Like if you've got stocking stuffers or kids, you can, you know, give each one in their sock. So I actually was gonna give to my fiance, but I'm gonna give him the Nivea Sun one, or I might just give him some of these because he always needs them in the winter. So that's what that looks like. So that was the Amazon box. Now we're gonna open the Zulily envelope, and there's 2 pieces of clothing in here. The first one I'm going to show you is the red ribbed turtleneck in a size medium, which is in this bag here. It's just a plain, simple turtleneck. I do like turtlenecks for winter, although I keep pulling at them all the time. I don't like anything too tight around my neck, but it's good, then you don't have to be wearing a scarf. So it's kind of a ribbed fabric, and then it's got long sleeves, pretty plain, and that's what it looks like. The back is pretty plain and simple, no band on the bottom or anything like that. So pretty simple, that one. And then the other one is a burgundy button accent puff sleeve tunic in a size medium. So this is the fold down style. Okay, so this is what the neck will look like. It's cute, a cute style. It's like a slit there in the middle, and then it just comes like that. So cute. And this is long sleeve as well, kind of similar style to that one, and pretty plain on the bottom. And then the back has the other piece hanging. So pretty simple, but it'll be nice to just wear at home, like for Christmas Day. You just want to wear something nice instead of, you know, t-shirts or whatever. Wear it with your nice, even if with a stretchy pant or something like that. So that was my video, guys. I didn't want to make it too long, and because I have other videos that I like to do. My computer is doing some updates at the moment, and it takes forever because our internet is super slow out here. So I have to wait until it's done, then I can edit this video and try to upload it. So, but that was my video. It's been snowing here for 2 days now, and I just can't get proper lighting. It's kind of dark, and then it changes, it gets bright, and then it's dark again, so I wouldn't even bother trying. So for the Amazon stuff, I'm just gonna put the name of the item, and that's it. I won't have any SKU numbers because I don't have a slip. For the Zulily stuff, as usual, I always put the SKU number in case anybody's interested in any of this stuff. They can go and type it in the search bar. It'll probably show up. If not, it means it's sold out or the event is gone, but sometimes stuff do come back. You just have to keep checking. So, well, I want to thank you all so much for watching my videos, and I really do appreciate when you leave comments. That means that people are watching, and you know, I like to read them and engage with my viewers. But I hope you all are doing great, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.